Hi guys and welcome back. This is Lilian Mbonari. We try again today. It's a beautiful day. Alright, so today we're gonna cook saute potatoes. Obviously my first time following advice here and there. Haven't seen a few recipes. Yeah, so I'm gonna boil my potatoes kidogo tu, I guess. Maji ikishika moto alafu ianze kuboil, nitazima. And then I'm supposed to put salt kidogo, nikoroge kachumvi kashike kwa maji. So the potatoes are supposed to boil for around 5 minutes, kidogo tu kushikisha moto. And then our oven is being preheated. Nangoja ifike 10 minutes and then we get everything ready. As I wait for that, I'm getting my ingredients ready. This is 3/4 tablespoon of black pepper. This is 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. This is a quarter tablespoon of ginger and a 1/4 tablespoon of garlic powder. So I'm gonna mix them, and then I'll apply them on the potatoes and then add parsley leaves, dania yani, because you don't need the water in the potatoes. Put them on a cloth to dry the water. So I'm gonna do that first. The oven is ready. So am I. Okay. Metoa the excess water. I'm gonna add this. Okay, inakaa mingi, sitaweka yote. I just remembered the potatoes are hot. I wanted to use my hand. Alright, I have added 1 tablespoon of melted butter, margarine. Now I'm gonna add danias. Yes. So the oven is ready. I'm gonna apply butter here on the pan. Sifungue yote iko tu sawa hivyo.
Muntakija huko. Mama nuna make nini?
Saute potatoes baba. Gwen amelala? Mbona umemwacha peke yake?
Ametulala. Nikamwambia kwa nini alikuwa analia hivyo sana? Kwa sababu hajatolewa nguo kwa sababu amepupu.
Hajapupu uongo. Hata hujaangalia. Guys, the 25 minutes are over. Let's see what we have here. Okay. All right. Utachomeka.